Pat. Shrikant Akolkar joins in to analyze the numbers. Shrikant, if you can hear me, hi, afternoon. The revenues looking in line, EBITDA margins also seem like a beat, but what explains the significant PAT jump? Is there an extraordinary component here?
Hi, thanks for calling me on your show. The numbers actually quite significantly in line or beat the expectation. The revenue is in line with expectation, but on EBITDA, I think there is a lot of beat. I think the numbers could be because of one of the molecules that they have launched, Glivec, that they launched towards the end of the quarter, as well as I think the price erosion commentary of a lot of companies has been slightly positive, which means there is around 6 to 7% price erosion. So this is one thing I'm definitely sure that company would have seen. So price erosion is one thing, plus rupee depreciation would also have played some positive part on Dr. Reddy's revenue and margin front. Plus, I think company is also taking some cost-cutting measures, so that could also help the company in providing this beating performance in this quarter.
Okay, fair enough. But how would you place Dr. Reddy's compared to the other pharma names, given what they've reported this quarter?
Just the Biocon, among the large companies, only Biocon came with numbers so far. So a lot of results are lined up over next 15 days. But compared to Biocon, this result, I would not say as a very good result compared to Biocon, because Biocon is also in different league of business. They are more in biologics business as well as research, whereas Dr. Reddy is not in biosimilars as of now. So I would not say both are in the same basket. However, this has started on a very good note for Indian pharma companies, because the numbers are very good at this moment. So I would be looking ahead for a lot of explanation in terms of which products have done well, or is there any one-off that is not yet available to us, as well as performance of this its India business. So I would look forward on the commentary from the company.
Purvi, good to have you back. What is it that the press release mentions on the update on resolution of US FDA warning letters, and of course more clarity on generic Suboxone?
So basically, on the the warning letter, the company has said they are in process of responding to the queries. So that's something that we really need to look out, because it's very critical at this juncture that since they have already said in the last few calls that they are done with the remediation thing and they have invited the FDA. So outcome of that is something that the street would look forward to, because that would give a guidance in terms of the direction to the stock as well.
But just looking at the operational performance, what's your verdict, Purvi, on the numbers?
So basically, if you see that the top line and the operating profit has been better than the expectation. On the profit front, if you see, there are two things. One is that the sale of API thing has come in, so that's around 46 odd crores, and I think so that's clubbed into the other income, but we need to see what's the forex gain because of the rupee depreciation that's there, because if you also because that's another area that we need to look in. So at the moment, yes, the profit figure is much better than what even the street had expected.
Okay, Purvi as well as Shrikant, thanks very much for joining us and sharing with us your perspective on Dr. Reddy's earnings. We'll take a break on that note.